everyone, welcome to Conversations with Arundathi. I am your host, Arundathi Yasok. Today is all about massage therapy. During this pandemic, many of us saw the importance of both physical and mental health. And so many of us have been finding ways to wind down. And even though we may not all agree on all these techniques, there is one technique that we all will definitely see eye to eye, which is good old massage therapy. Because why not, right? The amazing feel-good vibes, the full body relaxation. So today we are joined by an amazing massage therapist who will educate about the internal benefits many of us are not aware of. And I know all of us are craving for a good massage, but with the pandemic, it's not really easy to do so. So I got you covered. Today, we will be taught how to self-massage when we are feeling a little low. So that's my bonus for you. So hope you're excited. So let's say hello to Avanti. Let me introduce you to Avanti Ratnayaka, a certified massage therapist, and she has been in the field for 9 years. She loves reading, she loves computer gaming, and Formula One racing. Vroom, vroom. And I can personally attest to her work because she has been amazing, especially during the early years of my diagnosis with endometriosis. Her work, her massage was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for joining us, Avanti. How are you feeling today?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So my first question for you is, what are the benefits of massage that many don't know about?
It improves your skin tone. It removes a lot of the toxins in your body, so you feel much more, you feel better, and it clears your whole complexion. You feel de-stressed, of course, and so you increase mobility for your joints, and improve circulation as well.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So thank you. And second question is, how do we pick the right massage? Because there are a lot of different types out there, and everyone has different needs and bodies. So what are your suggestions?
It depends on what you really need. Like, again, if you have a problem, then you go to someone who can sort out your problem. Like if you have a backache or a bad, back issue, like say sciatica or something, you'd go to someone who more like a remedial massage therapist rather than going to a relaxation. Or if you want, say, reflexology massage, you'd go to someone who specializes in reflexology.
So reflexology, Avanti, like if you can kind of explain that is about organs, and isn't it?
Yes. So it's a study of massage where they say the foot and the hands have hand has links to your organs.
Right. Okay. So thank you. And can you now kind of help us with how to self-massage, something we can do at home?
There are stuff around the house you can use for self-massage, from say tennis balls to, I have this foot massage ball which helps with reflexology and things, because it has all these spikes. So what you do is you put it on the floor and you sort of almost stand on it. Then like it depends on where you have the problem. Like some people sit on tennis balls, especially while they're working. So if their glutes are tight, that really helps because it removes the muscle knots.
Right.
Yeah.
Perfect. And anything else?
Then sometimes I use, just a 500 ml bottle of water. I put it in the freezer and then sort of use it, freeze it, and then sort of use it like to massage my feet, because then you can sort of put all your weight on it and roll it so that the whole foot gets massaged. And say if your feet are hot, it cools it as well.
Nice. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much. And I will keep the links, share the links that you send so they can.
Sure. Okay.
So thanks again, Avanti. Now we're gonna dive into the rapid fire round.
Okay.
So it sounds silly fun. I mean, whatever that is comfortable to you.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So my first question for you is, what was the last movie you watched?
The last movie I watched was The Jungle Cruise with The Rock and Emily Blunt.
Right. Okay. Perfect. And what's the best genre in reading? Because you love reading.
All right. At the moment, I'm reading a fantasy trilogy called Discovery of Witches.
Okay. Nice.
It's a TV series as well.
Right. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. And I know we can't travel right now, but where would you travel if you were able right now?
If I could, probably to England to see my sister.
Oh, that's perfect. And lastly, what is a quote that you kind of liked or heard recently?
Let's see. I read this one recently. It said a friendly reminder to yourself that you have zero control about what other people perceive you as. So you might as well be the same person you want to be anyway.
Yeah, why not? Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, I know. That is really good one. Yeah. We all think about what other
people, yeah, exactly. Right? So you can't control it.
No, yeah, I love it. Perfect. Thank you so much, Avanti, for joining us today and sharing your wisdom and being patient with the rapid fire.
No problem.
Thank you so much. And I will connect with you soon and have a blessed day. Thank you so much.
You too. Take care. All the best. Bye.
That is it for today, and I hope you found today's episode valuable. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me, and my social media links are down in the description below. Have a blessed day, my friends. I will see you soon. Bye for now.